In court matters, plays important role because if evidence is not proper, you will win the case or lose the case. So, how to do best evidence so that you should win the case and your case should be stronger. Sometimes so happen you have everything, you have all the documents, but the evidence which you have produced in the court and witnesses which are come, they are not proper, and they are not giving evidence properly because they are not been guided properly. So sometimes the client lose the case. So how to do the witness? Whenever your date for evidence is coming, you have to be well prepared in time. You have to prepare your valuable time for spending time with your client. You should know the clients, talk, call him, and ask him all the detail, whatever he has mentioned in the petition, what has happened, what time, where, what was the time. If it's a criminal matter, date, time, place, venue, FIR number, detail, cause of accident, when happened, even the dress code also to be mentioned clearly, because the other advocate can ask for you the same day, what was the day, and if the you say Monday, time, space, place, even the dress code, what was the dress code, which was the direction, who was with you, and which direction you were going and why you were going there. So many questions see arise from question to question. So you have to be ready with the all the evidence. For that you have to client and make him assure that he should be given the evidence properly in the court. And for that, if you have all the details, the consequences which has happened with your client, you have to be very brief and short, and you have to explain in the evidence. And once you have given the evidence properly, then your case will be strong. And with the evidence, you have to enclose the proof also. What time if say accident happen, then medical has been examined or not. If medical is done, you have to enclose a copy of medical doctor report, doctor prescription, medicines, cost of the medicine. If you are claiming the medicine, if you're claiming that this much amount has been wasted in spending the medicines, then you have to produce a bill also. Vice versa, whatever you what type of evidence you are giving, accordingly based on the evidence, if it is related to the uh, mm, or your ownership, proof of your ownership, then all document related to your proof of ownership, your registry, your ID proof, your bill, electricity bill, water bill, your telephone bill, and other relative bills. If it correspondence is coming in, if letters are coming in that house, that you have to mention also. And whatever the evidence other person are giving, their identity proof, and the evidence which they are giving, that should be proper, and they should be ready for cross examination also. Cross examination, for I'll make separate video, because there is sort lot of things to be asked in the cross examination by opposite lawyer. For that also you should be ready. So if you give your evidence properly and freely, and always remember the other lawyer make you biased, that you should cry in the evidence and you should fight in the evidence. That should be, you have to control your volume, and your volume should be normal in the court, so that you should not be given punishment by the concerned court, because the court is very strict. You have to follow the discipline also. You should not be in a fighting mode with your opposite person with whom you have case has filed. And if he asks any wrong question and put wrong allegation where you have not done, you have to speak very politely and humbly. And always remember, the court is always listening to you. In the other party is harassing you, torturing you, the honorable judge is always there to keep his shut mouth. So need not to worry. And if your advocate is also there who will convince the court that he is harassing my client and should not be done, and that will not be done. Any wrong thing will not be done with you. But whatever is important, that whatever evidence you are giving, that should be properly, humbly, and with a cool mind. And the fact should not be hide from the honorable court. Whatever the fact is there, you have to clarify those facts very politely, but in a short and brief space of time. And based on that evidence only, you are going to win the case. So need not to hide anything. and whatever time you required with the client, and you require time with your, the client require time with you have to spend that valuable time so that your evidence should be proper. I hope you will find this information very productive. Thank you so much for listening to me. Regards.